Hey guys, so I got a 80mm throttle body for my Ford 300 straight six, and I gotta weld that onto the intake manifold that you've seen on this project. I'm switching to an 80 from that 102 because I don't need 102. I just got a good deal on it, so I bought it. But also with it being a GM with the idle air control hole, no way to plug it, it's just not going to work. So I got this generic one so I can build my own idle air control. The only issue is that's a like a keyway looking shaft, or a grinded shaft. This is the Ford idle air control, throttle position sensor. And as you can see, there's a little black piece spacer in there. It's got that flat piece in it like that, and it slides on that shaft. And then it's got those two little grooves in it. So then you can put this on there, and then I gotta make a bracket that goes from this to this because those holes are a little far away. That's about it. But yeah, that's how I'm converting to use a generic throttle body with OEM Ford sensors for the most part. This one's a used one. It's still good, but I'm going to use brand new ones. That's why I printed off another one. Only takes about 20 minutes, and it's in carbon fiber PLA, or PLA Plus as some people call it. Just pops in there, and yeah, it does kind of grind off that little, kind of flattens out that plastic right there when you put this on, but it's a real nice tight fit, and I'll be very happy with it. Stay tuned.